I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economic, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. You can directly scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that show the total rows, select the sum function for the donation and profit column. Basically in this question, we will go to the table design and the table style options group. We will click on total row checkbox and then we will select the sum function for the donation and profit column. Okay, select the sum function for the donation and profit column. We will go to the donation and profit column and then in the table design group, table design tab, in the table options group, click on total row and then we will select sum function for donation column. We will right click on this arrow in the donation column and select sum. Okay. Now the next question is that question number 2. With cell A3 selected, create a table from the existing data, accept the default setting. We will click on cell A3 and then create a table. Okay, we will go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on table button and then click on OK button. This data will be converted in the table. On the table design tab in the properties group, click in the table name box, type download Emporium and then press enter. Basically in this question we will go to the table design tab in the properties group. We will click in the table name box. We will type download Emporium. And then press enter. Now question number 2 is completed. Now moving on question number 3. Select the range G4 to G20 and look at the status bar. Okay, first we'll select this range G4 to G20 and look at the status bar statics to see the PG13 comedies earned 954 from the months with 7 films. Then set a number filter to display record where revenue is greater than or equal to 125. We will select this G4 to G20. Okay, we will select this range. This range will be selected now and then look at status bar statics to see PG13. Okay, you can see here on my PC screen. Please focus on my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, we will go to select this and then go to the home tab in the conditional formatting. 1 second, we will select first this range and then go to the sort or filter and then click on number filter and okay, here is 125 is greater than. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to do next question of this exam. The next question is question 4. Delete the writer table column from the table only. We will select writer column and right click on this and then simply delete this, or go to the home tab in the cells group and click on delete button and then click on delete table column. Okay, click on delete table column. Type donation in cell H3, click on cell H3 and then we will type donation in cell H3. Okay, type profit in cell I3. We will click on cell I3 and then we will type profit. Profit. You can see question number 4 is done now. Now question number 5 is that add a new table row on row 30. We will select row 30, right click on row 30 and then click on insert button. The row 30, add a new table row on row 30, right click on row 30. First we will select row 30, then we will right click on this and then click on insert button. New row will be inserted. Type pi in the sky in cell A30. We will click on cell A30, type pi in the sky. A30 and type PG in cell B30 and type PG in cell B30. Type garbage man in cell A59. Click on cell A59 and then we'll type garbage man. A59 and then we will type garbage man. Okay, and type R in cell B59 and question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question of this exam is question number 6. Apply red table style medium 10. We will go to the table design tab. Okay, the table style group. We will go to the medium style and then we will apply red table style medium 10. Red table style medium 10. Where is the red table style medium 10 is? Okay, here is the red table style medium 10. We will apply this style on this table. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. Set a filter to display release dates between 1/1/2015 and 7/31/2015. Okay, set a filter to display release dates between. Okay, right click on this, click on select all. Sorry, 1 second. Date filter and then 1/1 1/1/20 1/1/2015 custom auto filter and then 7/31/2015 then we'll click on OK button. This question is done now. Now I'm going to do next question is question number 8. The question number 8 is that sort the table by director in alphabetically order. We will select directed column and right click on this directed column and then go to the home tab in the editing group, click on sort and filter and then click on alphabetical order for sort A to Z. Okay, sort the table by streaming revenue from the largest to smallest value. Sort the table by streaming revenue from the largest to smallest value. We will select streaming. Okay, go to the home tab in the editing group, click on sort and filter button and then from smallest largest to smallest. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 9. Apply conditional formatting for the top 5 item in the profit column for the range I4 to I57. Okay, first we will select this range I4 to I57 and then apply the conditional formatting for the top item, green filled with dark green text. Okay, and then go to the home tab in the styles group, click on conditional formatting button. Okay, and then beginning formatting for top item in the profit column for the range Right click on this and then top 5 atom. Okay, top 10 atom to top, we will select 5 atom is here, and then apply green fill with dark green text. Green fill with dark green text. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 10. In cell H4, calculate the donation amount by multiplying the streaming revenues amount by the percentage in cell I1 using absolute references as needed. First, we will click on cell H4. Calculate the donation amount by multiplying the streaming revenue amount by the percentage in cell I1. Press is equal to multiplying the streaming revenue amount. Where is the streaming revenue amount? Price is equal to and then multiplying by streaming revenue amount in G4 multiplying by percentage in cell I1 percentage in cell I1. Press enter. In cell I4 calculate the profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. In cell I4 calculate the profit. Okay. In cell F4, calculate the profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. Streaming revenue minus donation. Okay, streaming revenue minus donation. G4 minus H4. Streaming revenue minus donation. Then we'll press enter. It will be find profit revenue. This question is completed now. Now I am going to do 11 question of this exam. The 11 question is that set the range A3 to G12 as the parent area. We will select this range A3 to G12 and then we will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click on open the page setup dialog box launcher and then we will go to the print sheet and then we'll select this print area. Okay, set the range A3 to G12 as the print area. Set print area. Select first this range and then simply go to the page setup group, click on print area and then set print area. Change the scaling to 90%. We will go to the page layout tab and the scale to fit group and then set scaling to 90. Clear the print area. We will clear the print area. Click on print area and then simply click on clear print area. Okay, you can see I have done